Hey YouTube, let's do this song by Metric, and it's called Help, I'm Alive. I'm going to just run through the different parts. I'm not going to play them exactly the length they play them in the song, because I just want to demonstrate all four parts. That's all four parts. We're tuned to a E flat. E flat. Those are your tuning notes if you need to tune. We know it's an E flat because of this opening progression, because they go to a note that is lower than E, and the B, C sharp, G sharp flat, or minor, I mean, G sharp minor, E. Okay, and I'm just talking relative to the nut. They do this. The second one is just this kind of where they hang on the. This is the G sharp minor. And they stand there for like, I don't know, 4 measures or something. And then they go to that part where they're just playing, the guitar is just playing. But the chords going on underneath that are B, E, F sharp, G sharp minor. And that's the part where they're singing, "Help, I'm alive." You're just playing the power chords. You don't have to worry about the major or minor, but now they go back to this G sharp minor for the next transition. And like a hammer. Okay, and then it goes real kind of pop chord progression. B, 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 B. F sharp major, C sharp minor, E. It's kind of an X pattern. Or you know, you get 4 chords in a box, in a rectangle, if you want to think of it that way. It goes on for like, I don't know, like 16 measures or something. It goes on quite a while, maybe 20 measures. And then from the E, it goes to the G sharp minor, the transition. And then they go back to the go back to the what I called the third one I taught you. And then at the very end of the song, they go back to the first chord progression. What's the song you play with downstrokes? All right, thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye-bye.